Hey VV Nation, welcome to the channel and welcome just in general. Why? It's Monday, it's the 6 p.m. video, and I always give you my top picks for the week. Now, this is going to be a very interesting video because the market has shown us some signs that the market is oversold. We have indicators that let us know when the market is starting to look for a bottom. Keyword, starting to look for a bottom. And we're now on the path of a possible bottom and a reversal, which I think is pretty much setting up for the perfect storm going into a possible Christmas rally. Yes, or Santa rally. Yes, I still think that there's going to be a Santa rally. It officially kicks off the day after Christmas up until the second day of the new year. So I still think that we're going to have a Santa rally, and I'm going to propose to you the stocks that are going to have the biggest benefit of this possible Santa rally. Now, let's get right into the software first. First way we look, a lot of red in the color guard. Red starting today as I record this video. The MTI is at a level of 0.68. The buy to sell ratio is at 0.33. But if we go back a couple of days right here, again, the VectorVest, the MTI at 0.69, the buy to sell ratio at 0.23. The levels are very close to where the market is looking for a bottom. Not exactly on point, but very, very close, even in a market that is oversold at this particular point in time. So I know that the red is there, but what are we looking for? We're looking for follow through to make sure that we do have some semblance of a bottom and the market start taking off until the beginning of the year. I'm going to go to a market timing graph. We can see that on Friday, we had a nice open candle, very close to a bullish engulfing, which would have backed up my idea of finding the bottom, number one. Number two, comes to a level of support on the VectorVest composite at 69.69. Beautiful level of support, as you can see on the 3-month graph. We went below, but then rebounded. Today, as I'm recording, a little bit of a red candle. We got a lot of trading days still left open. So I'd love to see if we can get an open candle going into the end of the day, which would show a little bit more of confirmation of this nice open candle as the market was starting to look for a bottom. So what do I think my best stock picks going into this possible Santa rally are? Stocks that you already know. Let's go to the viewers tab, and here we are. Here's my stocks. Stocks that have been on the rise, that people have made a lot of money on, that have made a lot of money in a lot of people's portfolios. I'm going to start with these stocks going into a possible Santa rally. SoundHound, on a day like today, mixed day, slightly down. Tesla, up. NVIDIA, up. SoFi, up. Google, up. Palantir, slightly down. SoundHound is picking up more traction to the downside, but again, most volatile times in the market are the market open and the market close. I'm recording this early for you for the 6 p.m. video tonight. Notice that none of the stocks are sells. All of the stocks have RTs above 1, so all of these stocks are already in an uptrend right now. VST is above 1. Good combination of value, safety, and timing. And most of all, these stocks are in the news for one reason or another. SoundHound, AI. Tesla, EV. NVIDIA, AI. SoFi, FinTech. Google. The quantum story, Palantir, this continues to pick up more and more customers. So, with this all being said, for the week today, possibly that the Santa rally should be kicking off this week, the day after Christmas. I'm either going to be right or I'm either going to be wrong. More than that, you need to make sure that the stocks are going up before you pull the trigger. And right now, just about all of these stocks, for the most part, are still going up today. And let's go back to the homepage real quick. We got a mixed market as we record this video. The biggest mover is the NASDAQ, up about 0.6. The composite slightly down, and the Dow is slightly down. But the NASDAQ and the S&P are both up. Let's go look at the VIX. The VIX is up, volatility is going up, so people are a little bit more fearful. But I think that if we do get a Santa rally, the stocks that I'm showing you are the stocks that should benefit the most at the beginning. Let's graph these all real quick. Let's put this on a graph. A little bit of a pullback on somehow, but you know something? It's right there at the 3-month high, not far off the 3-month high, 2408. We're at 2150, 2140. I still like the uptrend moving up, breaking through a level of resistance, now support, and now at another level of resistance. Looking at the next stock, Tesla, a little bit of sideways move, a possible reversal right here, but love the upward trend. RT, look at the earnings per share. Let's go. Nice. And NVIDIA, a lot of people are counting it out, but look at this. Trend down. And look at this right there at that trend line. Love the move coming up. Undervalued, which is a great thing. Value's leveling out. Let's go see if we can break through this level of resistance of 144.53. Go to the next one, SoFi. Still, all of these stocks at levels of support, which help to support that the market could be looking for a rebound, could be looking for a bottom, and now starting to move up. SoFi, a little bit of a doji today, but love the earnings per share. Earnings is the engine that drives the stock's price higher. Same thing on Google. Man, Google with the whole scenario with the quantum chip is going to be a big mover for Google going into the new year. Love that it's undervalued. Earnings per share looks great. RT is still above 1. I'd keep my eye on it. A little bit of indecision as I record this video. And the last one, Palantir, a little bit of a spinning top, trying to get back into that uptrend. Again, folks, these are my stocks, and there's 6 of them. These are my stocks that I think are going to be big beneficiaries if we do go into a Santa rally. I honestly think that we will, but again, I could be right, I could be wrong, but you want to make sure before you pull the trigger on any of these stocks that they're doing what you want them to do, which is go up in price. So, folks, I think this is going to be a powerful set of stocks that you need to keep your eyes on if you're investing in them already. Just hold steady. I think the rally is going to happen, and we're going to go see. I think the market's going to go nicely up going into the end of the year. And these are stocks that are on a lot of people's radar. These are stocks that a lot of you own. These are stocks that you're waiting to get back into. And I think it's going to pay dividends. Well, that's it for this week, folks. This video is over. Oh, by the way, if you're brand new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, all right? Because this is the kind of information we give every Monday. And if you've been making money, let me know. Put it in there. Put something in the chat. Say money. That's it. Just put money. If you've made money off of these Monday picks, just type the word money. Right now, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, Glenn here. Just need to tell you again, the Tampa 2-day seminar, which is our flagship seminar that we start every year off right with, is about to happen. And if you're looking to go live, you still got a little bit of time left to get a seat. Go to www.VectorVest.com/Tampa to reserve your live seat. Folks, I'm going to be there. Joey's going to be there. We're going to be there live. You can spend time with us and talk with us. Once again, www.VectorVest.com/Tampa.